Now see some exercise problem. Find the value of -8 minus of -10 using number line. Okay. See, the value is -8 minus of -10. See here, in this -8 minus of -10 is equal to -8 plus 10 as additive inverse of -10, right? So what is this? -8 minus of -10 is equal to -8 plus 10 as additive inverse of -10 is 10 on the number line. From -8 we will move 2 steps towards right because of here plus 10 is here. So we have to move for which side? Right side. So draw the number line. See here. -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, now we have to start from -8. Okay, we have to start from -8. We will move 10 steps towards right because of plus 10 is here. So you have to move for plus 10 steps. You have to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So which point you have to reach? We reach at 2. Okay. See, right side to move, reach at the point is 8. So we reach at 2. Thus -8 minus of -10 which is equal to 2. Everybody clear? See, hence to subtract an integer from the another integer, it is enough to add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted to the other integer. Everybody clear? Okay, see here. So what is the given question? You have to find the value of -8 minus of -10 using number line, right? See, everybody know the additive inverse of -10 is 10. Okay, you can use, see here, you can put in this minus of -10, you can replace plus 10. You can use the additive inverse. So -8 minus of -10 which is equal to -8 plus 10 as additive inverse of -10 is 10 on the number line. Okay, from -8 we will move to the steps towards right. So you have to 10 steps you have to move to 10 steps towards right. You have to reach. We reach at the point is 2. So your answer -8 minus of -10 which is equal to 2. Hence, to subtract an integer from another integer, it is enough to add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted to the other integer. Now everybody clear? Okay. See the another example. Subtract -4 from -10. -4 from -10. See, you can write -10 minus of -4. This is the question. So here you can write -10. You can put plus additive Clear? Additive inverse of minus 4. So, minus 10 in this one is plus 4. Clear everybody? So, minus 10 plus 4 is equal to minus 6. This is the normal subtraction. Okay. See here. Now, subtract minus 4 from minus 10 means you have to write minus 10. Okay, see here, first you have to write the minus 10. Your question is minus 4 from minus 10. So you have to write minus 10 minus of minus 4. You have to write means write in this minus 10 plus, you can put the symbol is plus, additive inverse of minus 4. Because of minus 4 is here. So additive, put the plus symbol, additive inverse of minus 4. So the same procedure you have to proceed the previous problem. See here minus 8 in this one minus of minus 10 means you can put plus, additive inverse of minus 10 means put plus 10. Clear? So the same procedure, additive inverse of minus 4 means 4. So minus 10 plus 4. So which number is largest number? 10. So what is that sign? Negative. So you can put negative. Then you have to subtract off in that value 10 minus 4. You will get the answer is 6. Okay. So here the largest number, that means biggest number is 10 and that sign is minus. So you have to put minus 6 is your answer. Everybody clear? See the next problem. Subtract minus 3. First you can take plus 3. Plus 3 from minus 3. How can you write? From minus 3 means you have to write this minus 3 minus subtract. So minus, put in this plus 3. Now see here, write this minus 3, put plus symbol, additive inverse of plus 3. Additive inverse of plus 3. What is that? Already minus 3 is here. In this plus, what is the additive inverse of plus 3? Minus 3. Okay. See, minus 3. In this plus into minus, minus. I think everybody know this formula. Okay. See here plus into minus, minus, put this 3. See here minus 3 means the both sign are equal. So you can add and then put a negative sign. So your answer is minus 6. See, we know the plus into minus symbol formula. See, everybody know. Plus into plus equal to plus. Minus into minus equal to plus. Plus into minus equal to minus. Minus into plus equal to minus. If you don't know means you have to see this. Both sign are same means your answer is plus. Okay. Your sign is different. Plus, minus, minus, plus. But these are all the multiplication symbol only. You can apply this answer. Okay. See, plus into minus or minus into plus. See here in this one, last, that means 3 and 4. You can see your answer is negative. The both one is same. Plus into plus, minus into minus. Left hand side, the sign is same means you have to put plus symbol. Okay. Plus into minus or otherwise minus into plus means you have to put the negative symbol. Now see here plus into minus. See, plus into minus. What is the sign? Minus. So plus into minus, minus sign is here. See here minus 3. Here also minus 3. So both sign are same. So you can put minus. Okay, this is minus 3, not into. This is the formula for into only. But in this one is minus 3 and then minus 3. So you can put minus is the common. Now you can add 3 plus 3 is 6. Everybody clear? The next problem, find, okay, 35 minus 20. This is easiest one. Okay, we can say 35 minus 20. What is 35 minus 20? 15. Generally we know that. Okay, or otherwise which one is the largest value? 35. What is the sign? Plus. So you can put plus symbol. Now you have to subtract the largest value to smallest value. What is that? 35 minus 20? 15. So 15 is your answer. Clear? Now see the next one, 72 minus 90. We can say 72 minus 90. See, now which value is the largest one? 90. So what is the sign? Minus. Now you have to subtract the largest value to smallest value. What is 90 minus 72? What is that? 18. Clear everybody? Next, see, minus 15 minus of minus 18. What is that? So put minus 15. Now just now I told to you minus into minus, the sign are same. Here you can consider into. Okay, in this one. Okay, or otherwise see here, you know the additive inverse concept. You can use, you can put plus. What is the additive inverse of minus 18? Plus 18. Okay, what is that? Minus 15 plus 18, the value is 3. Don't confuse for in that formula minus into minus. Don't confuse. You can use the additive inverse. Okay. The next one, fill in the blanks with, with greater than symbol, less than or equal to sign. See the first one. The first one is, see here, minus 3 plus minus 6 dash minus 3 minus of minus 6. Which symbol is here? Okay. See, first you have to simplifying in this one. Take the left hand side. What is the left hand side? Minus 3 plus minus 6. Okay. See here. Minus 3 plus into minus minus 6. Minus 3 minus 6 means what is that? Minus 9. Okay. This is left hand side. Take the right hand side. What is the right hand side? Minus 3 minus of minus 6. Say minus 3 minus into minus plus 6. Minus 3 plus 6. Okay. Or otherwise 6 minus 3. What is 6 minus 3? 3. See here, minus 9, 3. In this one, which value is the greatest one? Or which one is the smallest? So here the 9 is smallest, 3 minus 9 is smallest one, 3 is the largest one. So you have to put in this less than symbol. Okay. Therefore write minus 3 plus minus 6 less than, okay, minus 3. This is a dash, not less than or equal to. This is dash. Minus 3 plus minus 6. Okay, I have to put the box. Don't get confused. So this is the answer. Clear everybody? See the next problem. Minus 21 minus of minus 10 dash minus 31 plus minus 11. Okay, see here, you can take the left hand side. What is the left hand side? Minus 21 minus of minus 10 means what is that? Minus 21. In this minus into minus plus 10. What is minus 21 plus 10? What is that? Which value is the largest? 21. What is the sign? Minus. Now you have to subtract the largest value to smallest value. What is that? 21 minus 10. What is that? 11. So minus 11 is the left hand side. Now see the right hand side. What is the right hand side? Minus 31 plus minus 11. Okay. See here. So put minus 31 minus 11. Both are minus symbol, means you can put minus. See, and then you can add this value. What is 31 plus 11? 42. Okay. See here. Now the left hand side answer is minus 11. The right hand side answer is minus 42. Which value is the greater? Minus 11 is here greater. So minus 21 minus of minus 10. Which symbol? Greater symbol. You can put the bracket. Okay, don't get confused. 11. And then right hand side, what is that? Minus 31 plus minus 11. This is the answer. Okay. The next one. Fill in the blanks. See here, minus 8 plus dash equal to 0. See here, which value is here? What is your answer? The right hand side is 0, means minus 8 is here. So which value you have to put? You will get 0, 8. Minus 8 plus 8 means your answer is 0. Clear? The next one. 13 plus dash equal to 0. 13 is here. Your answer is 0. That means right hand side is 0. What is your answer? So which value substitute here? You will get the right hand side answer. Minus 13, right? 13. Here minus 13 means 13 minus 13, the value is 0. Clear? Now the next. 12 plus minus 12. What is the answer? See, 12 minus 12. See here, your answer is 12 plus into minus minus 12. What is 12 minus 12? 0. So your answer is 0. Clear, everybody? The next one. Find the first problem. Minus 7 minus 8. Put the bracket minus 7. Minus of minus 25. How can you simplifying in this one? See, first of all, you can write minus 7 in this minus 8. Minus into minus plus 25, or otherwise you can use the additive inverse. Okay. See, the next one. See here, minus 7 minus 8. So minus minus both are same sign. You can put minus. Now you can add. What is 7 plus 8? 15. But the symbol is minus. Okay. 15 plus 25. Now you have to subtract. What is 25 minus 15? Directly you have to write 10. Or otherwise, which value is the largest? 25. What is the sign? Plus. Now you have to subtract the largest value to smallest value. You will get 10. Clear? See the next problem. Minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. Okay. See here. Minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1 means first see the positive value you can write. Your wish. Now I had to take the positive value. Next 3 negative value is here. So all are negative value. That means 3 terms are negative. So you can put negative. After that you have to add the negative value. What is 13 plus 8? 21. 21 plus 1, 22. In this one everybody know this, okay, already you had to study it in the lower class. So what is 32 minus 22? 10. Or otherwise, which value is the largest? 32. What is the sign? Plus. So you can put plus. Now you have to subtract the largest value to smallest value. Largest value 32, smallest value 22. So 32 minus 22, the value is 10. Okay. See the next one. Minus 7 plus minus 8 plus minus 90. See your answer. Write this minus 7 plus into minus 8. In this one plus into minus 90. See here all are negative. So negative sign you have to put first. Now you have to add for all value. Now you can add 90 plus 8, 98. Plus 7, what is 98 plus 7? 105. So your answer is minus 105. Okay. The next one. See 50 minus of 40 minus of minus 2. What is that? See here. First you have to write 50 minus into minus plus 40. In this one minus into minus plus 2. All are positive. So directly you can add. This is easiest one, right? What is 50 plus 40? 90. 90 plus 2? 92 is your answer. Everybody clear? Thank you.